Happy Halloween, Braddies.
Hi, Braddies. Say hi.
Hi, I'm the Pete. I'm Lee.
And where's our lost sheep? Stand up, they can't see you. Stand up, they can't see you. There he is.
A little sheepy. I'm the Pete with my.
All right, Jane. What are you going to teach them today?
A pumpkin with a witch's hat.
Whoa. A pumpkin with a witch's hat, because it's Halloween time. All right. I'm going to let the kids take over. I'm not going to help you guys today. You guys are on your own. Have fun. Jane's going to teach you a pumpkin wearing a witch's hat. Oh, and then after this video, go check out our Boonilla ice cream. We did that one. It's up and live. We'll see you guys later. Well, I'll see you later. Jane, take over. Teach them how to draw a pumpkin and witch's hat.
Okay.
Step
let's
one.
begin. First, we're going to draw a circle.
Wes, draw your circle.
Yep, I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to make it bumpy. Yes. Don't be afraid to make it bumpy because pumpkins are bumpy. I'm going to do stripes already. Cool. We'll make it big. Now the stem. Draw a line up. Oh, you mean the witch hat? Sideways and then down. And then we are going to draw a curly one. Whoa, that's so cool, Wes. Then the eyeballs. The eyes. And then we're going to draw one bump in the eye, and then another one. Two circles in the eye. Sheepy, that's a cool drawing. Goodbye, Sheepy. Oh, yeah. That was my Sheepy. Now we're going to color in the eyeball. The eye. I'm going to slow down and wait for Wes. Okay. Are you ready, Wes? Mm-hmm. I'm standing with you. Okay. Now we're going to draw a face. I like big wide faces. I'm going to do that too. I'm going to do... Okay, now that we're done with the pumpkin. Mine's cute. Let's draw
Look how cute
a
mine
little
is.
Oh, that's adorable. Now that we have our pumpkin, we're going to make the witch's hat. I'm making it on the side.
I'm making it right here. Actually, I'm not gonna do witch's hat. I'm gonna make it cooler.
Really, Phoebe? Watch out. That's Spidey. That's Spidey's webs. Now we're gonna color the hat in. Okay. Now that we're done. Okay, let's get coloring. Yay! I wonder what my sheep's doing right now. What? Silly sheepy. Let's start coloring.
Sheep, what are you doing?
Sheepy!
Sheep's in his little, remember his little wool bed?
Stick down. They can't see your face. What if? And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Bye.
That's right, buddies. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.